off. So we're gonna show you the problem right now. Look, foot is on the brake. It don't work.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
I got another one for you guys. You can let it go. You let it go. It's good. Let it go. It's good. So, your transmission gearbox, right? We thought it was a problem. It wasn't engaging into reverse neutral drive, so we replaced it. I gotta talk how I talk. So we replaced it. What a job this shit was, guys. But we replaced it, right? So it's funny because it's off. So we're gonna show you the problem right now. Look, foot is on the brake. It don't work. All right. Now, hold on. Right, as you can see, I spliced into the ground. That means there's a bad ground somewhere. I spliced into the ground, and I'm just testing it right now. You're gonna put it on the battery right now. So look, it still don't work. All right, he's gonna put it on the battery. I don't want to break anything. It's on the battery now. Look, instantly. All right, take it off the battery. Look, take it off the battery. Stuck. Put it on the battery. Look, I heard it. Boom. So that's definitely a problem right there, man. So splice into the ground first before you replace it. I was the stupid one that replaced it before checking electrical. But
you was gonna give up on that one.
Nah, we got it. That's it. So the good thing, I needed to take it out anyways because I would have never been able to notice how this really was. And you want to? We can show them. We can show them.
All you do is over here with the mechanic.
This is good.
What it does.
You just said that you thought I was gonna get.
You know what I said? I'm gonna sleep over here tonight.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
You said you're gonna sleep here tonight.
Yeah, I swear to God, I'm sleeping tonight.
Nah, I thought. I didn't understand it at first. I thought that it was probably blown. That's what I thought. Cause I'm like, if I'm giving
this one good too?
Yeah, save it. Because you already fucked it up here. You're pressing and jamming it. So just leave the other one in for now. That one breaks. You always got another one. Leave it in the trunk, you know. But the next guy that buys it, like, yo, listen, I bought it, but it wasn't a problem. It was a wire.
Maybe I can take it back.
But this is not the one he.
No,
yeah, it's not the one he.
Listen, I want safety.
Yeah.
That's what I want.
No, but the good thing is, like I said, that one breaks. We know exactly where we at. You got all these pieces, so cool. All right, so spliced into the wires, right? Black is negative, red is positive. So we got white and black. No, not yet. Hold on. So that's negative. So negative goes there. All right? All right, go ahead. I'm sure. All right, negative goes there. And what I'm going to do is simply put this on the positive. And when you put it on the positive, I want you to look right at this piece. Boom. All right, and that's the piece that engages the switch to go from park to reverse neutral. Once you have power to that, once you don't have power, it locks, and that's pretty much the problem. Once you put power, it opens up. So he's getting power in the car, right? Consistent power, but I realized there was no ground. The ground was still having power instead of ground. So after replacing everything, right? One hell of a job. I spliced into the ground. I'm gonna connect it to this side right here, that bolt right there, and it works. Watch me. Now I know exactly what's going on with this. So future reference. Damn, I should get some heat shrink though for you.
What?
Heat shrink so don't burn out. Oh look, once I touched it, guys, I seen the electricity already. So I already know it's working. Oh, too much. Boom. And let's test it. That's pretty much it though. It's funny.
Yeah.
All that work, and that's all we had to do the whole time. All right, so no more cables. I should be able to look. Boom.
Oh, let's move now.
There you go, baby.
Nice.
Done. Done. That's it, bro. That was the problem right there.
That's so crazy. I don't know nothing here.
Yo, that's crazy.
That's crazy. I find it crazy. I hope everything goes, well.
That was it.
No, it's working.
That was it. That was the ground. The ground was the problem the whole time. That's crazy though. All this mess.
Yeah, hold the brakes.
The brakes, yeah, hold the brake.
It's smooth.
Yeah, no problem no more. That's it. I'm telling you, that was the problem right there. It's fucking crazy. And I think I should even make it a smaller wire.
Yeah.
So it won't be so big.
See.
Nice though. Done, y'all.
Some tape and all that stuff.
That's it, man. That was the problem. We fixed it. Sick. But you learn, I learn, right? We all learn.
But before you put things together, I want to ask you something.
What?
The fog lights.
The fog lights have nothing to do with this
No,
right
but
now.
I'm saying, no. But listen to me.
I'm listening. Because it's not even a positive, it's just a negative. So clean up time for this car. I'm gonna check some fuses or whatever, but job is done. Finished product, y'all. Oh, nice and put back together. Job well done. And you can see now, no more stucking. No more stucking. Take that back. No more getting stuck. We got Carlos over here. All right. Carlos, come on. What do you think about the job?
Good, man. Serious. I was scared, though. I thought I was going to sleep on you.
Yeah, nah, I got you. You out of here. He's out of here.
Patience is good, man.
Yeah,
I love your patience.
loves the patience, man. I got it done. 2 hours of work with this guy, though. He don't get it. It's not that easy, but it's cool.
Yeah, it's more than good.
There wasn't more than 2?
I'm sleeping home tonight.
Yeah. So, that's one call. We on to the next one. And thanks for watching, man. Appreciate it,